СТУДІО 19. You can get it portable. Even then you can activate it officially or unofficially activate and try to use a little deeply to see how it's going. So you see this working the screen. Well, useful features is to do it manually, like you can capture before and after, then you will have all these menus like file system, your application directory. You can even do it without capture. You can add files manually, add registry manually, or do not add registry strings, and then go to settings, important thing, use this good stuff. Properties is nothing good to do there. You can also use something like that. For example, your app won't be run on Windows Vista if you select Windows 7, background Windows XP 2003 and so on. Process configuration, so it's very important. You can try to use this even to have double support for both types of operating systems. This is good. Doesn't change anything at all. So you can try one of these points to select. The important thing you can try, if you have tried your application, then you click to build here at the top. You select also here startup file, and out of file you can click on browse and select where you want to save the file and what name should it have, like for example kitchen point exe. Okay, so important thing when you create your application, you can also then try to recreate it, selecting this compress payload. For example, an application of 90 megabytes compressed will be from 38 till 44, so double compression. So every application will be almost double size lower. So here you can also select the thing where you can select to install, even from portable, to install it directly to program files or program x86. Even you can try, you can make your application portable like trial application, to use it for 30 days or 5 days or 30 or 5 trials, 5 starts. Network doesn't make sense at all. So you can general thing of this program TURBO СТУДІО 19 is that you can integrate runtimes, Microsoft Network framework 3.5 for you have four types, or even 4.5 you can integrate inside app. It will integrate not the full Microsoft Network Framework app, but the necessary files to run this app. Then you return to which application, and then you click on build to build. Such we have manual.